How to send videos in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send videos in Gmail. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Gmail app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the compose option, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the composing page. Now here you can just type in the Gmail where you want to send your email to. And now here, once you have added that particular email, now here you can just go to the email box. Now here in this section, what you can do is you can just tap on the paperclip icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. In that menu, what you can do is you can just tap on the files option. And now here it will take you to the file site where you can select the videos that you want to send. Now here, just find the video that you want to send, and here, once you've found it, you can just tap on it to select it. And now here, once you're done with that, you can just tap on select option, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you do it, the video will be added to that particular Gmail message. Now here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on send icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And that's it. That's how you can send videos in Gmail. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.